A tourist from Argentina who visited the Taj Mahal on December 26th has tested positive for COVID-19. His samples were collected during screening at the monument's western gate to test for the virus as a precautionary measure. The RT-PCR report, which came out on Wednesday, that is on 28th December, confirmed that the man was COVID-19 positive. However, the health department officials confirmed that he was missing soon after he was informed about it by the authorities. The health department has now asked the local intelligence unit, airport authority, ASI and nearby hotels to get details of the missing man. What is surprising is the fact that the phone number and the name of the hotel provided by him are also incorrect, which has made tracking him down difficult for the authorities. Chief Medical Officer Agra Arun Kumar Srivastav said, "We are trying to identify the tourist from Agra who has been tested positive for COVID. The contact details provided by him are wrong. Hotels have been asked to provide details of tourists from Argentina who have recently checked in. We have also approached the ASI and airport authority to get the details of the man. Once found, he will be isolated to prevent the further spread of the disease." Meanwhile, over 30,000 tourists visited the Taj Mahal on Wednesday. Visitors waited in queue close to each other to enter the monument after screening at the western and eastern gates, which has raised the concerns further, especially after an expert warned that the coming 40 days are very crucial for India if it wants to contain the spread of the virus. Besides, in Mathura district, vigilance has been enhanced in the Vrindavan town, where foreign devotees come in large numbers around New Year. Earlier, a man who returned from China was found positive for COVID-19 at the Taj Mahal on December 25th. A corona patient has also been found in Agra who returned from China a few days back. The sample has been sent to Lucknow for genome sequencing. Genome sequencing is important because he came from China. He landed on December 22nd in India and on December 23rd he reached Agra. We are trying to trace his contacts. The person has not come in contact with many people as he was in his room most of the time since his arrival, Dr. Srivastav had said. In view of the COVID-19 surge in several countries including China, an alert has been issued in India too. While the central government has started random sampling and testing of 2% of the foreign travellers at Delhi airport, in the last 2 days more than 6,000 international travellers have been scanned, out of which 39 passengers have tested COVID-19 positive. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia may soon visit and inspect the airport to review the testing and screening facilities being done for international passengers.